We've all seen those headlines. Lose 10 pounds in 1 week. Sounds amazing, right? But is it really realistic, or is it even healthy? Almost every diet or weight loss product on the market promises some kind of quick fix or miracle result with little or no effort. The truth is, the healthiest and most sustainable way to lose weight is through healthy diet and consistent exercise, and aiming to lose about 1 to 2 pounds per week. That may not sound as dramatic or sexy as those headlines, but it's a pace you can maintain, and it's far better for your body in the long run. The key to success is setting realistic goals and making a plan to meet them. Think of it like this. If you set a huge, unrealistic goal right out of the gate, you might quickly lose motivation and get discouraged. And what happens then? We often give up entirely. Instead, let's start small. Let's say your initial goal is to drink an extra glass of water a day, or take a 15-minute walk. Once you've achieved that, celebrate your success. Then set a new, equally achievable goal. These small victories are incredibly powerful. They build confidence and they keep you moving forward. And here's the amazing part. As you consistently meet these small goals, they become good habits. That daily walk becomes second nature. Choosing a healthy snack becomes easier. Over time, these individual habits weave together to form a healthy lifestyle that you can truly maintain, not just for a few weeks, but for good. This principle applies to any big goal that you have. Whether it's to lose 50 pounds, run a marathon, or even write a book. You don't just wake up and run 26 miles. You train, you build endurance, and you reach smaller milestones along the way. With each goal you meet, your dedication will grow, empowering you to set and achieve even larger goals. This past year, I fell in love with Pilates, but I had to start at a beginner level. I couldn't just jump in at the level of a professional dancer, but I stuck with those beginner levels until they became easier, and then I gradually increased the level of difficulty. If I had jumped in right away and done a really hard routine, I probably would have gotten frustrated and I would have quit entirely. But instead, I stuck with it, and I celebrate those achievements along the way. So forget the quick fixes. Embrace the power of small, consistent efforts. Set realistic goals, allow them to become healthy habits, and then watch those small steps lead to incredibly, truly lasting results and a healthier, happier you. You've got this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you very soon.